What's up, YouTube? This is Pumele Zimba, all the way from True 11's Records, the home of good music. Today, guys, I just want to show you guys how to change a photo to be a cartoon. And when I say cartoon, guys, I'm not talking about the type of cartoon like the Ellen DeGeneres, that cartoon that Ellen DeGeneres show us. Yeah, I will show you that cartoon, guys, how to create that type of cartoon in one of the videos that I will make. But I was getting a lot of comments, guys, on how to change your cartoon, how to change your image to be a cartoon using VideoPad. Okay, guys. First of all, guys, in my previous video, uh, one of my video, guys, I did show you guys how to change a picture to be black and white. I told you guys about gradient mapping. So which gradient mapping does that change your picture to be black and white? You see how beautiful the picture is? Yes, guys, this is right, and this is the perfect way to use to change your picture to be black and white. Such a way, guys. Here, the good thing about gradient mapping, you can also make your picture. You can move this button to the left to make your picture to be more white, and more clear. Do you see how white it is? Yeah, guys, gradient mapping is one of the way we can change our pictures to be black and white. But guys, when I was pressing my photo pad every day, checking my photo pad, I also find out, guys, we can also change the picture to be black and white by using what we call saturation. So guys, you can take this button and put it to -100, then your picture will totally tend to be black and white. And when you make the opposite, it become very strong, and it is beautiful. I like it. It's still beautiful, but it's very strong. But when you go to this side, it is black and white. But today's video was not about that. I was just showing you guys we do not only use gradient mapping to change our picture to be black and white. We can also use saturation. So guys, let's go straight to the point. Now, guys, how to change our photo to be a cartoon using VideoPad. So guys, first of all, guys, the one and only thing, guys, that you will need is to go creative, to click creative. And guys, you have to be creative. Then you click cartoon, you click all paint, then you click bricks, then there will be bricks. They say this is you. Yo, it is so brick is useless for now. All paint is good, but we will use all paint, but not now. So guys, let me introduce you. Okay, guys, the first thing, guys, that I show you is the saturation. In show you what saturation do when you put to the -50. Maybe say how is the half of black and white. When you move it to this side, is strong. You see. So guys, let's put saturation to 0, because we want the photo to be normal. We don't want to make a photo to be less, to be black and white. So guys, we can go to our first thing to focus on is the end strand. The moment we talk about the end strand, we're talking about the black, do you see this black drawing, this girl? We are talking about this background, this black thing, the outer part of the outer lines that draw the lady. I don't know how I can explain this, but the moment we talk about the end strand, I know that we're talking about the outer part that draw the lady. So the moment we increase the edge strand, do you see this color? Do you see this line become thick? And the moment we decrease to 0, this line become thin or disappear at all. So guys, we will move our edge strand to be ±25, 20. So let's move it to 30, 25, 20, 30. Let's move it to 25. So you can see, yes, now we can see. So the moment we talk about the details, guys, we can see when you move it here, this becomes very strong, and you can see the lady. This is a girl. The moment we move it back, we can see this is oily, is like we just put the oil paint, you see. So we can move this to be 100% or 90%. Okay guys, let's just leave it like this. It's great even when it's like this. Then guys, we have something that we call color. Here guys, you can change it to be warm. I don't like it when it's warm. You can even change it to autumn guys. This is perfect. Autumn is perfect. But what we need to do when we add autumn, we have to decrease our detail. We have to decrease our detail. We have, let's increase a little bit. Let's increase a little bit. Then we put a shoot to what we call all paint. The moment you use oil paint, you know then we are dealing about brushing. So we can decrease this to 0 so that we can see our image clear. We can increase this so that we can see our image more badly. To see it is very, 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 very. This is like exactly the art of 1989, art of 1920s. They used to draw like this. And you can even photocopy this and put it to your dining room. People will like this. This is perfect. I like this. But let's move it backward, plus to be, let's move it to 10. Yes. Mm. Mm. Now let's delete all paint. Okay guys, let's just leave it like this. Guys, this is how you create a photo to be a cartoon. This is how you create a photo to be a cartoon. The original photo is like this, as you can see, to be like this. Yeah, it do look like a cartoon guys, but not that perfect, but it do look like a cartoon. It do look like a cartoon. Boom, 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 boom. What next? So guys, we can also make it to be white by going to color cave. Try to make it more whitish. Perfect. Boom. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, that is perfect, but I don't want to add it. So guys, I think I am done. This guys is how we create a cartoon. Next time guys we'll draw the cartoon, make the cartoon the way we want, not like this way. Well, put your image, then we start drawing yourself on top of your image until guys you can see yourself. Then I'll drop more videos guys on how to make yourself to look like a cartoon using your image. I also need some lesson guys, some lessons. I will keep learning and keep practicing until I find the best way, guys. Do you understand? This, guys, I think this is great. Thank you a lot, guys, for watching. Thanks a lot, guys. This is Mpumelelo Zimba from True Eleven Records. Don't forget to follow me, guys, on Facebook. I'll drop the link on the description section. Thank you.